Botanical Garden.
While boarding and alighting the trains, passengers are requested to take care of their loose items like sari, dupatta, dhoti and bag, etc. Next station is Botanical Garden.
बोटैनिकल गार्डन स्टेशन है। यहाँ मैजेंटा लाइन के लिए बंद दरवाजे बाईं तरफ खुले हैं। कृपया ट्रेन और प्लेटफॉर्म के बीच की दूरी का ध्यान रखें।
This station is Botanical Garden. Change here for the Magenta line. The doors will open on the left. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Botanical Garden.
देख सकते हैं आप देर का नोएडा 2725। सत्तर 126 जा रहे हैं अमेठी यूनिवर्सिटी नोएडा। हेलो दोस्तों, हम अमेठी यूनिवर्सिटी पहुंचने वाले हैं। बस 100 मीटर की दूरी में अमेठी यूनिवर्सिटी है। उसके अंदर का स्रोत दिखाएंगे आपको हम। और चले हम अमेठी यूनिवर्सिटी। हेलो दोस्तों, हम अमेठी यूनिवर्सिटी पहुंच गए हैं। जैसे देख सकते हैं अमेठी यूनिवर्सिटी आ गई है। हम गेट नंबर 4 से एंट्री करेंगे। ऐसे देख सकते हैं, जैसे आप देख सकते हैं कि अमेठी यूनिवर्सिटी आ चुकी है नज़दीक। आ गया क्या यार?
नीचे लगा लो ऊपर। हाँ नहीं ऐसा है ना।
जैसे आप देख सकते हैं कि यूनिवर्सिटी के अंदर ये ई ब्लॉकर मेट्रो आती हुई मेट्रो
co-branded by JIIT.
Sector 62, co-branded by JIIT.
कृपया दिव्यांगजनों और वरिष्ठ नागरिकों को सीट दें। अगला स्टेशन नोएडा सेक्टर 69 है।
Please vacate the seat for the persons with disabilities and senior citizens. Next station is Noida, Sector 59.
ये नोएडा सेक्टर 69 स्टेशन है। दरवाजे बाईं तरफ खुले। कृपया ट्रेन और प्लेटफॉर्म के बीच की दूरी का ध्यान रखें।
This station is Noida, Sector 59. The doors will open on the left. Please find the gap between the train and the platform.
कृपया दरवाजों से दूर हटकर खड़े हों।
Please stand away from the doors.
आपातकालीन अलार्म बटन दबाएं। अगला स्टेशन नोएडा सेक्टर 61।
Press the emergency alarm button in case some object or person is stuck in the train doors or any other emergency. Next station is Noida, Sector 61.
नोएडा सेक्टर 61 स्टेशन है। दरवाजे बाईं तरफ खुले। कृपया ट्रेन और
Please do not cross the yellow line of the platform.
उत्तर
Middle one. You don't remember the name. How is it that you guys don't remember your teacher's name? You see recordings, you see all the live sessions. वैसे कल के सेशन में ना शेक हैंड्स टीचर्स के साथ भी करवाने थे. So you would know their names, है ना? So any queries that you all have, nothing? BA Sociology, Political Science. This station is 76. What about you all? What else? It was your favorite. Come on, this group doesn't speak. It was your favorite. Risk management? Even I like it. Even I love it. So that's why I see any most of the people are very well dressed, they're wearing their clothes, because they learned a lot. Good.
Yes.
So, this is how you learn and you apply it practically. Practicality, that is when you actually putting in that effort that you've learned something. That's good. Good learning. We're waiting for other students.
According to you, so जब हम लोग कंफर्म करेंगे according to that only you can take a decision. लेकिन आपको H block पहुंचना है, वो आप सबको पता है H block कहाँ पर है, ठीक है? So tomorrow how many of you are coming? Great. And those who are not raising their hands, what happened? कहीं और जा रहे? आप वहाँ पर थे, तो मैं आपको बता देती हूँ. Tomorrow we are conducting mid-year meetup for all of you to understand your academic journey, to make you understand कि what is about your course, what about your semester. So you will get a industry expert sessions there. You can have a discussion on certain matters or important topics. Subject teachers will be there. So you will have a kind of a pura program, a long program from 9 to 4 p.m. where you will just be engaged in certain various other activities and will be having the chance to meet your faculty members. So we will share. I hope you have received the mail and the planner or the schedule for the mid-year meetup, right? So for today, as I said that you will receive the certificate here only. तो आप लोगों को certificate यहीं से receive करके जाना है. And those who are having or traveling somewhere, that's why I'm asking कि अगर आपका कोई concern है, if you are traveling somewhere, so you can just let us know. तो हम लोग आपके लिए फिर कुछ arrangement देख सकते हैं. So that you can just take your, नहीं आपका तो I came to know that you are from Karol Bagh and it's very near. And of course, as you are attending workshop, I can understand. देखिए, I'm just concerned about those who are across the country traveling. So it's really difficult जिनकी ट्रेन छूट जाएगी. लेकिन आपकी एक कैब के बाद दूसरी ओला आ सकती है. I know, I can understand, but मेरा कंसर्न यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा मेजर है, but definitely we'll just consider कि आपको जितना अर्लीस्ट मिल सकेगा सर्टिफिकेट, we will provide. Because वर्कशॉप आप जब willingly चूज करते हैं, तो there are some restrictions, some limitations are there. So you have to attend the sessions, and then you will be able to receive the certificate, right? किसी को कोई डाउट है, कोई confusion?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody up, up, stand up, up. Yes. Okay, let's see. How's it? Nice. Good. Music. Yes, let's go. Feel it. Yes, AC/DC. Yes, let's go. It's back with life. It's. Thank you. Moving. Thank you. Moving it. Thank you. Little bit. मैंने करना है. Thank you. It's promising to you. Let's get on to today's session. Okay, for everybody who's here, quick show of hands. Who are from out of town? Yesterday I had a lot of queries from students or anybody coming in. I'm out of town. कपड़े नहीं है आज के लिए. Out of town. क्या किया? Body shape. Excuse me. Body shape. Skin show is a big no. The more I see your skin, the lesser it is in terms of formality. Even when it comes to sarees, too much skin show drops the authority. Are we clear? Okay. Any kind of ripped denims, big no. Right? They're all, what level are they? I will find someone and give you. Oh sure. You're trying to tell me that there are no international brands that would fit your shoe size? Alright. You can't wear chappals everywhere. You cannot wear sports shoes everywhere. Right? How many of you have worn sports shoes to a shadi with your suit? नहीं? हंसी बहुत आ रही है, लेकिन 2 बार सोचा है, क्योंकि क्या चाहिए? Comfort. Yes? Sports shoes don't go everywhere, right? Over here, again, it's gone down. Are you understanding? One piece of one item or one accessory suddenly drops your authority, right? Okay. How do you accessorize to complete your looks? You make sure that you have everything, right? You invest in everything. Don't think कि कोई नहीं देख रहा. Can I tell you outfit? Clear? Don't take out your shirt and cover with it. Wear a belt. Invest in one. It's very important. Yes? A watch completes your look. You mentioned yesterday. A watch is something that makes you look confident. It is the one accessory that you constantly work on so that you feel like it is a complete look. Right? Is it not the same thing when you get earrings or you have sunglasses or you have scarves? Yes? Does it not? Boring ho gaya session. Okay. 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 Everybody up. Up, 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 up. Let's break the monotony. Too much theory. Break the monotony. Awesome. 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 Everybody pair up to your left. Pair up to your left. Appropriate? Probably not. Have I taught anything in terms of my class today? Yes, I have. Is it making sense? Probably. If you don't implement it, what's the point? Okay? Okay, perfect. Now, let's go back. We're all talking about completing your looks. Your looks have to be completed with accessories. It is a very, very important and crucial part of your wardrobe. Do not ignore it. Don't pocket squares with the cravats or the ties. Right? The rule has changed. Okay? You can do a similar color palette or a color theme, but it doesn't have to be a complete match. Okay? Especially when it comes to now wallets. Let me tell you. Other than wallets, please, as men, stop putting everything in your trouser pockets or your coat pockets. Stop putting everything in your clothing. Carry a bag. Okay? There are enough bags. Are you understanding? Stop crowding your hands and your pockets.
Okay, so let's say whether it's a business scenario or it's a social scenario, there will always be one host and one guest. Do you agree? Yes. So what do you think are the duties of the host? Let's say it's a business meeting. Okay, so I am inviting somebody else for a business meeting. Me and my boss are going for that meeting and we've invited somebody else. Let's say, sir, we've invited him and his team over. So what are the duties as a host? Okay, perfect. The first thing would be finalizing the place. You're going to make a reservation? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So how will you make that reservation? On what basis? Let's say sir is a vegan and I just booked a normal restaurant. Will he eat there?
No, ma'am.
So do I need to know about his preferences?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So I will make the reservation according to the guest's preferences. One is that, and second, obviously I have to reach on time and I have to make sure everything is okay. Sitting like this so then Dr. Jani and he can have a normal, see, they are the ones who are going to finalize the deal. So they can have a proper conversation. Okay? So the guest of honor always sits on the right of the main host. Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay, these things were a little important. So let's understand, where does the fork come and where does the knife come?
Fork left,
Okay.
knife.
Fork left, knife right. Sir, opposite. So she's saying knife on the left, fork on the right. How about the spoon, people? Where will the spoon come?
Fork left or right.
Okay. Anybody else? Anybody else wants to try? Why do we need to learn? The rest of people do it for us. Yes? No, but we should know this. Where does the fork come? Where does the knife come? And where does the spoon come? For that, we are going to follow the letters of the word forks. Okay? So please see this video and we forks. Starting from left to right, the first element would be the fork. F for fork. O will represent the plate. And R I've written in small, nothing is with the R. Then comes K. K would be the knife. And please note, the sharper side of the knife will be facing the plate. And S would be the spoon. So this is the forks rule.
F, O representing the plate, drop the R, K for knife, and S for spoon.
Is that
Okay, to understand the fork,
is that rule clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody understood?
Yes.
F for O will represent
Plate.
nothing with the R, drop the R. K for S for So now you know from left to right how they are placed. Okay, now I also mentioned something that said that the sharper side of the knife should be facing the plate. Why? Any guesses? Safety. So the main course knives are not as sharp as the vegetable fruit knives. So you're not going to get hurt with that, don't worry. So the safety is not the reason, there is something else. So let's say I am going to hand over a pair of scissors or knife to anybody. Do I give it like this? Hello? Right?
courses that come. Okay, if you walk into a fine dining restaurant where you see two forks on your left, we see one knife, two spoons. So how am I going to decide which cutlery is to be used for what? We will decide the cutlery as per the meal courses. Okay, now first thing that came, let's say it's a salad. So I am going to use the fork which is on the outside, outermost. Okay, so this is a salad fork. Just for your information, a salad fork is smaller than the main course fork. So I am going to take this salad fork for having my salad. Okay, then the next thing that comes, let's say it's soup. So I will now use the soup spoon, which is again on the outermost side. So this is a soup spoon which is completely round and it will be kept on the outside. Then comes another spoon which will be the main course spoon. So now I know when the soup has come, I have to pick up the outermost spoon. So then the rule outside to inside is followed. Similarly, if there are two knives kept, so I will have to decide, let's say appetizers have come. One, I will use the one which will be kept on the outside will be used for appetizers, and later when the main course comes, I will use the one which is closest to the plate. That's what outside to inside rule is all about.
Is that rule clear?
Yes.
Okay, I'll come to the order of the meal courses, then I think you will further understand it. Okay, does everybody know the difference between crockery and cutlery? Okay, I did not hear a lot of yeses. So they're giving you cheat answers, prompting you the answers. Please do it. Yes? Get your chair closer. Yes. Okay, now place the napkin the way I just told you. Yes. The open edges, sir, the opening edges will be towards you. Yes. Okay, so now, I'm sorry. Okay, I just want you to act, not eat. Did we come here to eat? Yes? No, I just want you to act. First, hold the fork and knife the right way. Please show me the way I showed in the video. You need to cover the entire knife in the palm. Please see, now you open your palm, keep the fork in such a way, and one index finger at the neck of the fork. Similarly, the knife, please open your palm. One index finger at Yes. So the finger will come, the index finger will come at the joint. No, so the index finger is too high. Okay, everyone please watch. When you are going to hold the knife, this should not happen. Okay, I'm sure everyone has eaten with fork and knife. However, the right way to hold a fork and knife is very important to eat. This is not the way you're going to hold. You're going to cover the entire knife in your palm and then one index finger at the top. Okay? So this has to come at the neck. Okay, so now the first thing is that you are going to place the fork inside the food. Yes? So
सर इतनी बड़ी बाइट नहीं खाएंगे ना. Now, okay, wait. Now this, it should not look like this. It should be little diagonal. Now please cut with the knife. The knife is always above the fork. Okay? It has to be inside. Okay, so that's why you can maintain a grip. Now, okay, another thing, very important. While eating, we start doing this. So, what's happening in life? All okay? So not okay. So please don't do that. Don't talk to anybody with the fork and knife in your hand. And now she's going to eat like this, and this should be down here and not in the air. No, sir, you can't keep it back at the mat. Even if you want to place it, you can place it here, and you're going to eat like this. Okay, I'm not letting you eat. Thank you. That will be all. Thank you so much. Can you please put it back? Now where do you leave from? Okay, this, and when you keep the fork and knife in an A position, capital letter A, it is a pausing position. So can you keep it in the pausing position? Yes. Perfect. Now, sir, let's say you're done with the meal. Where will you keep the napkin? On the left hand side. Where will you leave from? From the right side. And also put the chair back. Although in the restaurants you will not find these chairs with wheels, but we can manage for today. Thank you so much. Thank you. Big round of applause. Give him a big round of applause. Sir, आपको तो सब आता है. Etiquette तो waste of time है. Yes, sir. अच्छा, मजाक था. I'm glad now it has changed. The philosophy has changed. Okay, please pull the chair. Now you walk in from the left. Okay. Now take the napkin first. I'm sorry, it's kept here. It should be on the. Actually, it should be on the plate. How do you place it on your lap? Open edges towards you, sir. Okay. Now please hold the fork and knife the right way. Okay, he held the wrong fork. This is the one. Okay, so how are you going to hold it? Cover it in the palm. Cover the complete thing. He's butchering somebody. Bite. Please try. First, the fork will go inside. Maintain the grip. Sorry, there's a cut. Everybody, please understand the bite that I'm going to eat. That's the bite I'm going to cut. Okay, so मैं कहीं पे भी fork, कहीं पे भी knife ऐसे नहीं करना है. The bite that I'm cutting, sir. Okay, it's all right. Another lesson for us. Cut one bite at a time. You take it into the mouth and then you cut another bite, sir. छोटे बच्चों को थोड़ी खिला रहे हैं हम. Please say दही डालो टिक्की खा जाओ. Okay, let's keep it here. Let's pause. No chutney, sir. Let's pause. Yes. Thank you so much. Give them a big round of applause, please. Sir, napkin. Hold it. बस ऐसे hold. And then you keep it. Perfect. Thank you. You have to leave from the right. Get back into the chair. From the left. Sit down from the left. Now leave from the right. Thank you. Put the chair back. I'm not going to do that. Okay, I hope this was clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody please look at the pictures once. What is wrong in the first and the second picture? Okay, hello. All the
This is the area I need.
This session is not going to be about ज्ञानबाजी. ना मैं ज्ञान लेती हूँ और ना ही मैं ज्ञान देती हूँ.
हमें आगे
ठीक
बैठना
है?
चाहिए.
So are we good with this? Yes. Make you realize that all this while you've been living a wrong life. Okay? I am about to offend you on a real basis. There will be two kind of people who will be leaving this room by the end of this session. Another 1 hour 30 minutes. एक होंगे जो मुझे बहुत मेरी बुराई करने वाले हैं. ये दिखती अच्छी है पर नहीं. दूसरी, people who have actually realized that okay, there was a change. They will bring that change 1 millisecond. There is no moment in our life जब आपको एकदम से एक aha moment होगा और अपनी लाइफ चेंज कर दोगे. ऐसा कभी नहीं होता. Right? Correct. Do I have everybody on board?
Yes, ma'am.
How's the Josh? Not high enough. Fire. How's the Josh? How's the Josh? At the back, how's the Josh? I don't think so. It's high. Okay. This is a very famous man called Robert Greene. Okay. He's a very big author. He's a very big literate person. And before I play this video, it's like 12-15 seconds. I've spoken about power. Okay? Power comes. On the other end, I do get CVs. Vishali ma'am is not here, right? Okay. So there was this one time, 50. Record kar rahe ho kya?
उसका निकल जाएंगे अपना. उसका निकल जाएंगे सर्टिफिकेट लेकर.
क्या लेकर?
सर्टिफिकेट निकल जाएंगे. अब क्या काम हो रहा?
Speakers, hats off to the audience as well. You've been so sincere, and I hope by now that everybody knows that the person sitting next to them, they belong to which course, what's their name, or they belong to which place. So I think everybody knows that. आपस में जान पहचान किया आपने, हाँ या नहीं?
Yes, ma'am.
Friends बनाए हैं या नहीं बनाए हैं?
Yes, ma'am.
These events are usually give the opportunity.
मैम पता नहीं अगली बार मिलेंगे नहीं मिलेंगे.
Networking, knowing each other.
कल के बाद.
How many of you are using the Be Social? How many of you are using it? Okay, thank you. We have a good number. Those who are not using it, raise your hand. Those who are not using it. Okay. How many of you know that we have Professor Emmy? Okay. How many of you know that we have a career service also? How many of you are aware that we have Amigo app now?
Arey, wow, good, good. And those who are unaware, please check with the counterparts. You came to know that what is the usage of these apps, sites, career services. Yeah, thank you. Okay. So can we have silence, please? So meanwhile, we are making arrangement for the certification ceremony. You are going to be awarded the certificates for attending the 2-day workshop by the professionals. I hope most of you know what to wear, when to wear, how to make a choice, how to communicate, how to walk in when you go for the interview session. And that's what the intention behind doing this professional workshop. It is not just limited to this workshop. MIT University Online has actually initiated so many workshops for different departments. So tomorrow we have orientation session, which is known as mid-year, and that is for second semester onwards. So how many of you are going to take part? Oh, we have good number again. Very good, very good.
पिछली बार बैग मिला था मिड ईयर में, ये ज़्यादा नहीं करेंगे।
ठीक है, क्या देते हैं भैया? मुझे लगता नहीं है देंगे।
ना देंगे तो साला मुंह पर बॉल फेंक के मारेंगे, और इसको फालतू में पैसा खर्च कर रहा है हमारा यहाँ बुला कर।
So I hope everybody knows that we are going to start in the sequence of 3 in each batch, and kindly observe the things which is being told by Professor Vinny. BBA 6th semester, Ashish Mishra, BCA 6th semester, Abhay Gupta, MBA in Digital Marketing 3rd semester.
नाम से बुला रहे हैं, टाइम लगेगा।
Aryav Sharma, Ashish Mishra and Abhishek Kushwaha, semester 3 BCA student. Aditi Gosai, semester 3 MBA student. Next to this, we have Aditi Arya. Next to this, after these three, Aditi Arya, Aditya Gupta, and Aditya Mary. Please be ready. Aditya Arya, BBA semester 6. Aditya Gupta, BCA Special Education, Cloud and Security, semester 3. Aditya Mary, BCA Data Analytics. Aditya Arya, are you around? BBA 6th semester. Can we have Akash Singh, please? Akshita Agrawal, Akshita Jain. So now I request Dr. Divya Bansal, Deputy Director, MIT University Online, to be there on the stage.
चलो लो यार।